This is the elevator at a professional development center on a college campus in Venice, Florida. Address is right there. So let's go to 2R. Here we are at 2R. I don't think the lanterns work on either side. The chimes work, but just not the lanterns. So here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Two isn't on the front door because the lobby, as you can see, is double height. So let's go back to 2R. On where 1R would be, I believe, is a classroom. Let's go back down to 1. So, pretty basic elevator, other than the fact that it has a rear door. I believe it was installed in 2005. There's 2 chimes. It has like the Series 1 chime and the Series 5 chime. So the interlock date is December 2001, but we know that's inaccurate. So there it goes, and that'll be it.